Hello and welcome to the OneWhoServes series of videos. This is Keith. I'm one of the engineers at OneWhoServes, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the Windows 7 end of life and how to tell if your Windows 7 PC is worth upgrading. So one of the first steps that you'll want to do with your Windows 7 computer is to go down to the Start button, give it a left click, and then find where it mentions Computer. You see this heading, you want to give it a right click and select Properties with the left mouse button. This will give you the system properties for your PC, and the numbers that we're going to be looking for primarily are going to be right here under the installed memory. And although the system requirements for Windows 10 are pretty low, I believe this minimum system requirements are 1 GB of memory. What we're recommending is that for upgrading from Windows 7 to Windows 10, that you have at least 4 GB of memory, and possibly 8 if possible. This particular system is running Windows 7 Professional, as we can see, and the amount of installed memory is 4 GB. So based on the age of this system and the amount of memory, I would say this is a pretty decent candidate for an upgrade. One other feature that you'll want to check is just to make sure that you've got enough hard drive space available for the upgrade. And that is easily checked through My Computer. And we can get there by clicking the Start button and clicking the computer icon. And under the computer icon, you're going to see the list of drives. And the one we're primarily concerned with is the C drive. And what we want to make sure of is that you have at least 20 GB free on your C drive. And as you can see in this example, we've got 174 GB free, so plenty of disk space available for the upgrade. So in this instance, this PC is ready for an upgrade. It does meet the requirements, so we would go ahead and try upgrading this PC. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at the office, 828-251-1111. Thanks.